Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the VoiceOver Braille Display Settings on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on VoiceOver, then scroll down and tap on Braille. In here, you'll be able to change your Braille display settings. So at the top here is the output, input, and Braille screen input. Now in here, if you tap on the output, you will be able to set the Braille display output to uncontracted 6 dot or uncontracted 8 dot Braille or contracted Braille. The same for input, so you can make the changes in here. And then you got the Braille screen input. So you can choose the input method for entering Braille using the screen. Next is the Braille tables, so you can add tables to the Braille table rotor. Then you got the status cell. Turn on the general and text status cells and choose their location. Next is the equations. Use NMF code. So turn on NMF code for mathematical equations. Then you got show on screen keyboard. So show on screen keyboard, tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. This will allow you to display the keyboard on the screen. Next is the turn pages when panning. So automatically turn pages when panning. Next is the word grab. This will allow you to grab words to the next line. And then you got Braille alert messages. When turned on, your Braille display shows an alert message for the specified duration. Then you got the ignore code duration. Adjust the amount of time required before subsequent key presses are recognized as Braille codes. And down here is the auto advanced duration. Adjust these settings to your preferred reading speed. And that's it. So that is how you can change your VoiceOver Braille display settings on the iPhone 15 series. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.